welcome to Saturday in the studio with Nicole, and we're here for another unboxing today. Today is a little bit different. So I have been doing some diamond painting unboxings. This one took a little while to get to me. At the end of last year, became a Patreon of Stitch Life magazine, and basically they had a Christmas box, or New Year box, and it's come, and I'm going to open it up and show you what I got. So it come in a cute little box, which is my address on the, just a normal mailing box, and then it's actually a really good size actually. I was quite happy with how, I was surprised actually for the price that I paid, which was $50. These are unavailable. These were only available for a limited time. Mine's just taken a little while. It comes from the United States, so it took a little while to get to me. And being part of the Patreon for the magazine, you get like monthly little gifts and stuff like that from them as well. Plus you get daily or by every second day cross stitches. You're able to be in a Facebook group with them. They do daily live streams and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, so this is what I got from them, and it's nicely wrapped. And I always like to show them how they are when you open them up, because you know, it gives you an indication of how much time and thought and everything has gone into them. And most of the boxes that I get are really good. There's always something in it that I like. All right, so from what I can see, I can't see a spoiler or anything like that. All right, so we've got a little project bag, and when I open that up, it's got a hoop. It's got some floss and some floss drops, which look to be handmade on a floss ring. I don't use floss drops, but they're cute. It comes with some fabric, and it's got a little envelope, and that's got the needle and the beads in it. When I opened it, I sort of went through and opened up and had a quick look, but I'm just going to show you what we got as well. So that is for the cute little project that I can see here. So it is Start Fresh for 2021, about your stitching box, and that's got all the bits and pieces in it, and I'll refer to that in a second. So for your design, you need to go to their website, and then you enter in the password, and then you can get it. And if you hate French knots, they've included some some beads for the eyes and all the rest of it. All right, so that is the project. That's the little pattern there, so I've got to go and download that. The next one is, okay, that wasn't on it. Okay, let's see what this is. Undo that. Okay, so this one has some hand sanitizer, and a sticker of the cross stitch design. All right, so that's that. What else is there? Is there anything else in there? Just going to set these aside. Oh. Over there. This feels like a needle minder. Yep. Oh, awesome. So it's all themed. So it's the little girl from, although there's only, oh no, there's a, oh, she's metal. So she's actually metal, and then it's just got the magnet. It's not even glued on there. How cool is that? I've not seen a needle minder like that, but how cute is she? Look at her. Oh, I'm happy with that. We got some food in here. So we've got a fruit leather. It's gluten-free. I won't eat that because I'll get a headache. Can't eat that sort of stuff. And this is a marshmallow rice treat as well. So I can't eat that either because I'll get a headache from that. I can't eat a lot of American candies and food, so I just sort of avoid them. Whatever ingredient or preservative they put in there actually causes me a headache, so I just avoid them altogether. We've also got a clean cotton soy blend wax candle. Oh, yum. It smells like lemon. It does. It smells like clean washing. Oh my goodness. I love that smell. Who doesn't love, you know, after you've washed your towels and your sheets, that's what it smells like. Oh, yum. That is really cool. And that is handmade in Nevada. Okay, and it's just got some instructions. And then we've also got some organic beeswax lip balm. So as I said, I paid $50 for this box. It's got the pattern, it's got all your bits and pieces in it. It's also got your candles, which anybody that buys candles know they're not cheap. And it's got a couple of little different things in it. Overall, it's a really good box. I'm really happy with the needle minder. She will go onto my needle minder. She'll probably just hang there actually. She looks cute there. And basically, yeah, I've got some lip balm, which is great. I needed some more, so I always like a beeswax lip balm. And I'm sure that the kids will jump on to those straight away. And yeah, so thank you very much, Stitch Life Magazine. It was a great little box. I'm really happy with my purchase. It was free shipping as well. And yeah, and it was only $50. So that wasn't too bad for the box, considering it had free shipping in it. I was pretty happy with that, because anybody here in Australia would know when we get boxes or anything from overseas, the shipping is what kills us. So alright, so if you like this video today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up down below and hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. Thanks again for joining me for my unboxings to see what I got this week in the mail. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll talk to you all again soon. Bye for now.